Fix in 5. Let's decode P0517. Battery temperature sensor circuit high. Signal voltage exceeds thresho. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, battery warning light may activate, difficulty starting in cold weather, alternator overcharging or undercharging issues, charging system malfunction indicator. Now the most likely causes. Battery temperature sensor open or disconnected, wiring harness short to voltage, B+ line, corroded or loose battery terminal connection, faulty battery temperature sensor, internal resistance failure, ECM, PCM connector corrosion affecting sensor input. What does it cost? Roughly €25 minus 60 doing it yourself, or €65 minus 100 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Clean or replace corroded battery terminal connections. Inspect and repair wiring harness if short detected. Replace battery temperature sensor if resistance out of specification. Test alternator output. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0517? The cost to fix P0517 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make, model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cow. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0517. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.